Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. First and foremost, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I appreciate you. If you are a returning person, you know I love to have fun with hauls. If you are someone new to the channel, I hope that you like what you see. I hope that you come back, and I hope you decide to subscribe. That being said, I've got an Ollie's haul. I went to Ollie's yesterday, last night. Found these Project Life Heidi Swap Project Life notebooks. It was $1. These are 12 by 12. Let me see if I can tell you when this was. These were from 2014. Still, they are wrapped. These are cute. And if you can recall, when we all first started doing these hauls from Ollie's, I came across several Project Life pieces, and I said that I was not going to offer them until I found some notebooks. I've been able to do that over the course of the past few hauls. Speaking of Project Life, I found another set of Project Life. This is the salsa one. It was $1. There are 147 pieces in here. This is what's on the back, which lets you know this is what's in the package too, okay? So I thought this was a wonderful find. Continuing with Heidi Swap, I found these art screen stencils. Heidi Swap, I've never seen this. I have just never seen this a day of my life. But I got several of these. And if you recall, like in a couple of videos ago, I found some of the some gold stencil paint, so I might try it out with this. I think this is really cute. I found Candy Cane, Heidi Swap, Marquee. It says it's 13 pieces in here. I don't know. It might be. I'm sure it is. I only picked up 2 of these. I picked up one for myself and one as a future giveaway. And it too was, let me turn it around. It was $1. I ended up I got this paper because I was watching Etta J. She was making these beautiful ephemera flowers. And I said to you all, I'm not good with making flowers. But I decided after watching her video, I said, okay, I can do that. As the backing for them, I found, well, I'm sure several of you have seen these. These are like some little chipboard, cardboard. They're not really, really heavy, but they're perfect for like journaling and stick-ons and stuff of that nature. They are, I got this packet. It's 10 of them in the pack, craft, 12 by 12 craft, cardstock for $2.99. And like I said, this is 12 by 12. So what I can do is I can use my cutter to cut several of these out. So I like that. I found, where is it? There was something else I got. The other day, I got some Magnolia Homes paints, and they were chalk paints. And I talked about how to decorate, they could probably be used for upcoming craft shows and pop-up shops. Well, I came across the complete book of chalk lettering. Now, even though I can write in lettering, I can't do this. And I thought this was wonderful. This is neat. So I'll be honest with you, I got 2 of these. One to learn from, and one at some point in time to either deconstruct or give away. But in order to do some of these techniques, and I really do want to learn how to do them, I have always loved this. I have always loved this style. I figured that it would probably be best that I just partake in this. You know, it was $3.99. Sit this away. Sit this to the side at least. I went on Temu one day and I was literally about to order these things. And then all of a sudden it appeared that some of the shipping had just halted. And I said, okay, well, I'll find them one day. I was walking around at Ollie's. These are the jumbo playing card set. Now, they're $5. It's 54 giant cards. But
They are the giant cards. What I like about this is I can use it in junk journaling. I can use this in displays. I can use this as part of the new age chunky journals. It's very versatile, but yes, they're $5. They're very heavy too, but it allowed me to be able to find them, and then I can use them. I can use these for pocket journals. I can use these for a lot of things. So if you're in Ollie's and you are looking, or you've been thinking about getting some of these jumbo cards, they are there. They're not on the aisles. They're over on the section where you'll find stuff like electronics and the Gidget Gadget kind of section. Okay, that might not be the right terminology for it, but that's what I'm going to use today. Gidget Gadget. Okay,
Y'all, I'm only gonna pull out one sheet, and it wouldn't be me. I'm telling you, I am the queen of clumsy at times. You know that, and I'm okay with that. I'm human.
I got this Bo Bunny paper. It says Bo Bunny Back to Basics. This is gorgeous. It was 25 cents a sheet. And then when I went back in there earlier today, they had like little packs. And so because I had several other things I was trying to get accomplished, I didn't bother to ask if the packs were $2.99 or just what. I'll go back probably later on this evening and check it out. But y'all, this is gorgeous. Let me show you how and why. This is pretty in itself, right? Look at this paper. This is a stunning paper to me. I just love this. Sweet moments, tempting. And then this side is what? Okay, so all of it is sweet moments, tempting. Forgive me for, forgive me. But this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous, okay? Also, one wonderful thing I found, and the guy that works there, he was like, he said to me yesterday, do you want one of those? And I thought he was talking about something else. Goes to show you, sometimes we just have to slow down and pay attention and receive help when someone is trying to give it to us. Because when I went back in there today, he told me, he said, that's what I was talking about yesterday. I don't know if any of you have seen these in your Ollie's, but this Ollie's had these We Are Memory Keepers 12 by 12 accordion paper storage for $4.99. Now, it's been a while since I've entertained these, but the mere fact that I've got a lot of stuff that I'm trying to store and sort and destash, I felt like this was wonderful to pick up, so I got a couple of these. Everyone, this concludes this haul for this afternoon. I thank you so much for tuning in. These are some really wonderful pieces to try to snag. And if you end up finding yourself at your Ollie's, I hope that you can find some of these items. As always, thank you for tuning in to Paper Peace. Take care. Come back. Have a safe day. Thank you.